When developing cell and gene therapies, especially for rare or ultra-rare diseases, an understanding of the underlying natural history of the condition is essential. These diseases often have limited data, few patients, and no standard of care, making it difficult to define meaningful clinical trial endpoints or conduct randomized trials. A natural history study helps address these gaps. It tracks how a disease progresses in the absence of treatment, giving us the baseline understanding needed to design effective intervention trials. These studies can identify subgroups who may benefit from therapy, support biomarker and endpoint development, and even serve as a comparator group. There are two main types. Retrospective studies collect data from existing medical records. They're quicker to start, but may suffer from inconsistent documentation. Prospective studies follow patients forward in time according to a defined plan or protocol, offering more consistent and reliable data, though they take longer and require more resources. Veristat recently supported a natural history study in a rare pediatric genetic disease using a hybrid design, where both retrospective and prospective data were collected with cross-sectional and longitudinal sampling. This approach provided a broad view of disease progression. This natural history study laid the groundwork for the clinical trial that followed, helping to validate a composite endpoint and ensuring the trial was grounded in real-world understanding of disease impact. The study directly informed a phase 1/2 gene therapy trial now underway. Over 5 patients have been treated so far, with a goal of nearly 50 over the next 2 years. To support success, Veristat served as an extension of the sponsors team, providing flexible, customized support. Our experts addressed unique challenges, supported sites, and ensured both sponsor and patient needs were met. Working closely with expert clinicians and patient advocacy groups, we also helped define meaningful assessments and select biomarkers that could provide early evidence of clinical benefit. When COVID-19 disrupted in-person visits, we quickly adapted by implementing secure remote data collection using HIPAA-compliant video tools. At Veristat, we recognize that in rare diseases, the science must lead, and flexibility, creativity, and deep expertise are essential. Reach out to us to learn how Veristat can support your natural history study and rare disease clinical development program.